Hi, so you've just joined Jordan Essentials. Welcome to Team Visionaries. I'm Rochelle Romans, and I want to introduce to you one of the experiences you're going to get in your Jordan Essentials joining opportunity kit. That is a trio set of skincare. This is amazing. This is our Hydro line. And it is so phenomenal. I know you're gonna love it, but let me tell you a little bit about it and how you're gonna use it. You're gonna get a cleanser, a toner, and a bakuchi oil moisturizer. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use our cleanser. Our cleanser is a daily hyaluronic acid cleanser. Now, hyaluronic acid is something that your body produces in your youth, but it actually starts to decrease production in your teens, and by your 20s it's pretty much not producing that hyaluronic acid for yourself anymore. So that's why we're using this wash that puts that natural hyaluronic acid back into our skin. It's plumping, so it's a great plumping cleanser. As you can see, it is a gel cleanser. It will foam slightly, but not so much. But that plumping power, what it does is it helps reduce those fine lines and wrinkles. It is so ever gentle. It also contains glycerin. Glycerin is able to absorb 200 times its weight in water. So it literally gets moisture, water out from the air and draws it to your face to keep you plumped all day long. All of these products are pH balanced. Now we just rinse our face and wash it back off. And that just did amazing wonders. You know why? If you wash your face with regular water, did you know it takes up to 12 hours for your face to come back into normal pH balance? But with your Hydroglow cleanser, it's coming back immediately. Next, we're gonna move on to our Hydroglow toner. This is so amazing. It has bakuchi oil in it also. It has magnesium in it, and it has your Phyto Essential Blend, which is amazing. You want to think of toner as if you were painting, your toner is your primer. It makes everything else do its job better. So we want to absorb as much toner as we need. We also want to make sure we get it on our neck, always going with that upward motion to help our wrinkles. So don't ever skip out on your toner. It's awesome. You can use as much toner as your face will absorb because it's that quenching, that really post-cleansing, then it quenches that dryness. So you're gonna love your toner. Last but certainly not least, we're coming in with our bakuchi oil moisturizer. Now it has this fun little dispenser. Don't take your clear lid off, but don't take this white inner part off because it's actually a vacuum sealed container. We're going to push down on that and it's going to dispense exactly what we need. One pump is going to do your entire face. Now this has your ceramides in it, has your peptides in it. It also has frankincense in it. So this is amazing to reduce those wrinkles. It's very anti-aging. And if you've ever priced a bakuchi oil top of the line moisturizer, you know that typically they're $100 plus. But all of our products from Jordan are amazing. They're clean, they're phthalate free, they're phthalate fragrance free. They are all the good things and none of the nasty things, and they're affordable. So that's why we want to share them with everyone. So this is going to help you firm, tighten, and brighten your face without retinol. Bakuchi oil is nature's alternative to retinol. So I hope you enjoy your facial experience in your join kit. Are you ready to see what else is in your kit? Y'all have a blessed day. I'm so happy to have you on Team Visionaries.